All right, Joe with Joe's Golden Garage here. This is the navy blue one, es350. It's an 07 with 245,000 miles. Got a few miles on her. Exterior is not too bad. We do have some whiskey assemblage going on up here. And we've got some pretty heavy interior modifications going on. Looks like some patchwork has been done on these seats. Ooh, we got an ugly dash. Ooh, ugly dash. Ooh, ugly steering wheel. But let's give her a drive. We can't discriminate. We gotta give old beater. Oh, there's old what's his name? Jordan. We gotta give even the beat up Lexuses a chance. You gotta give them all a chance. Oh man, that dash is terrible. Yeah, this one's pretty beat down, y'all. This one has ridden a hard 245. We got check engine light. We got traction control. Do we have any AC? It's not too promising yet, but let's just take her for a ride. We're right here at the track. Well, she sounds good. That's the one thing about these engines, man. They always sound good. Transmission shift's good. What the hell, man? This thing actually feels pretty tight, despite its ass whippedness. Look at that steering wheel. God, leather cover wore slap off. Those buttons, the rubber is gone. Pulling a little to the right, but it's got about 4 May pops on it. Each tire. I think I spotted 1 Michelin and then like a Windfall. Ooh, got that heavy vibration. Ooh, gonna need CV axles. Yes, indeed. Yes, CVs. Whoa, I don't even want to take that one back down through there again. That was sickening enough. So, I'll show you examples of a nice one. And then I'll show you examples of a bad one. Nah, this has probably been a pretty good old car for somebody. She's just a little wore out, you know, unless you're just sitting there pampering on it all the time. This is what you kind of expect. With an 07 with a 1/4 mil on it. Yeah, this one's a little too rough for me to even be interested in. The dash alone is a nightmare. The steering wheel alone is the nightmare. Much less check engine lights and all that. Oh my gosh, this thing was smoked in like crazy. I thought I'd smelled it. Anyway, there she is. Like, comment, subscribe. She's not bad on the outside, though. God, I think that's a beautiful blue. Really not bad at all. And not a lot of door dings. Yeah, pretty good old exterior. But she's whipped. We'll see y'all next time. Peace.